Abba,
Abba,
Abba, Ida, Ache, Pai, ٿورو, گوشت گھٽ رهڙو ڏيجو छो जुतांजा मादा ख़राब थींदा हाँ you are really good in Sindhi
I speak Sindhi fluently.
असां ॾिठो आहे काफ़ी जेको आहे सो घणा ई दोस्त हूंदा आहिनि जेके मादा ख़राब करे छॾींदा आहिनि पंहिंजा गोश्त खाई ही भाउ वारा फ्रांस मां आया आहिनि हिननि जो चवणो मूंखे हिननि भाउ वारनि चयो त जेको आहे सो तव्हां जेको बि अचो था मूंखे हिननि चयो त असांजो जेको मेन पर्पज़ आहे पाकिस्तान खे विज़िट करण जो उहो छा आहे त असां ॿुधायूं त जेके हिते पाकिस्तान में माण्हू आहिनि गोश्त जाम था खाइनि ऐं उन्हनि पर्सनली रिसर्च बि कई आहे सो हाउ लॉन्ग यू गोना बी स्टे here in Pakistan?
5 weeks.
5 weeks. What are the places you're going to be visiting in coming days?
So after Islamabad we go to Chitral and then around the northern areas.
Only northern areas?
Yes.
Yeah, because we've been to Lahore before. So Lahore, Islamabad, Chitral, Gilgit, northern areas, and then Kunjara.
Then you will head to home?
No, not yet.
Okay,
No.
there is a Karachi. This is the biggest city of Pakistan.
But Karachi is so hot.
Karachi is in the south, no?
Yeah, it is.
It's better to come in winter.
Yeah, I guess so.
So we'll come back.
So, how you feel about the Pakistani culture?
We love
Can you
Pakistan.
describe like regarding food, people, our costume that we wear?
Food is really good. A bit similar to Indian food, but a bit less spicy, which is perfect for us. And Pakistani people are so welcoming. Hospitality is wonderful. We've never seen that anywhere else. That's really great, and we feel really happy.
Okay, so how many countries you have visited so far?
A lot.
30 plus.
Yeah.
So you document the countries you visit?
We
You
just do
No,
photos
just
and videos, but for family, just for leisure.
So basically, there is a place in Sindh called Mohenjo-daro that is 5,000 old civilization. You can search on the Google as well. So I would like to suggest you, if you ever visited Karachi, make your mind about the Mohenjo-daro because it's the ancient place in the Sindh, the oldest civilization in the Asian region.
Okay.
After that, we have some words in Sindhi. We would like you to repeat after us.
Okay.
Okay.
What does it mean?
So basically, we're gonna be promoting our own culture. I will be saying that people whoever visit Pakistan also don't think about there are many places in Sindh that you can visit.
Okay.
Because there are many places in Sindh people don't know about that. Like there is a Great Wall of China. Then after that there is the biggest wall that is situated in Sindh that is called Ranipur. There is the second largest wall.
Okay. No bad words.
No bad. Basically we are in mosque. So
don't use any other words.
Yeah. Okay.
We never know.
No. It's a mosque. So, in terms of religion, we want to use any negative word in mosque. So it's prohibited in Islam.
Nous adorons les gens du Sindh.
Sindhi people.
Les gens du Sindh.
Ranjani Sindh means
Sindhi people.
Sindhi people. Okay.
Les Sindhi. Nous adorons les Sindhi. Ils sont extrêmement accueillants et très souriants. I said they are really welcoming and very smiling.
Okay.
I know one word only, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Next time.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We will let you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very
Yeah.